Some groups set aside funds to be used for a particular purpose. These are sometimes referred to as restricted funds or reserved funds. Examples are someone donating money earmarked for a specific activity, or your group setting money aside for a large purchase. Here's how you can keep track of these funds and produce reports that will provide transparency to your group. Before getting into this, it's important to note that there is a legal difference between restricted and reserved funds. So be sure to be clear about which one you're tracking. You would record both the same way in MoneyMinder, but there are legal obligations about using those funds depending on which it is. There's a specific link in the description below to learn more about the difference between these two concepts. Now that we're clear on that, click Budget in the sidebar to get started. Then click Add Heading. Name the heading. Again, some groups use restricted funds, others use reserved funds. It's a good idea to ensure this matches the type of funds you're recording. Next, click Add Category to reflect how you'll be spending that earmarked money. You may need one category or several, depending on your project. If you have funds already saved, enter that balance into the Budgeted Expenses column. This is money that you have available to spend. That's why it's entered in the Budgeted Expenses column. When finished, click Save Changes at the top of the page. When you receive or spend money on this project, you will associate it with the appropriate category. When it comes time to report on the project, the Treasurer's Report is a very useful tool. To find it, click Reports in the sidebar, then scroll down to find and click on Treasurer's Report. You will see actual income in the Income column and actual expenses in the Expenses column. The More/Less column is where you will see the running balance of the budget category. So in this case, there was $18,000 available to spend on new playground equipment, and $17,471.29 was spent. So there is $528.71 left to spend. To see all the transactions associated with a specific heading, such as restricted funds, click the heading name, and it will open the All Transactions by Heading and Category report. This will list all the transactions that have been applied to categories in that heading. To get more help on this or other topics, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos, or visit our Help Center by clicking on the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing MoneyMinder.